On this episode of Hulk in the Wild, we go see another waterfall. I leave my camera on while we have a go at being Instagram models. And we go to Hamilton Island to swim at a swimming pool. Happy New Year everyone, welcome to 2021. Gotta get used to that, writing that 1 instead of the 0 from now on. Hope everyone had a good new year and safe one. Today we leave Port Douglas and we're heading down south. We'll stop by Palm Cove, Miller Waterfall and a few other places, and hopefully we'll either be in Mission Beach or down in Townsville again. We'll see how we go for time. It's quite a long drive still to go, so yeah, we'll see how we go. We'll see you in a bit. We've just pulled off the side of Cook Highway at a lookout point and it's absolutely beautiful, the view. If you ever get the chance to come to Port Douglas or drive along the Cook Highway, highly recommend it. The road view is absolutely stunning. See the rain coming over in the distance, but right now it's absolutely beautiful. We leave the warm coastline, head inland through the mountains. It's steep and slow going. Off the beaten track, not many tourists or traffic. Where are we?
We're at Miller Falls.
A quick Google image search, we find ourselves in the mountains at another waterfall. A difficult drive as we go through the mountains on wet roads and a 3-ton vehicle. A quick stop to stretch the legs before we continue our journey down south. We're at Tully Gorge National Park. Here we are. Seems like a pretty big gorge. Been driving for about an hour since our last spot. And yeah, see what it looks like. Our next stop was Tully Gorge. It seems like a very popular spot for Instagram models, so we thought we'll check it out. It was another steep drive through the mountains, and again we were the only vehicle for most of the way. It was good to see other people there to confirm that we were at the right spot. Come on. Down here somewhere above.
How did you get there?
Just step over. Do you want me to?
How did you do that?
I just stepped here.
No.
On that rock. Yeah. We tried to move quickly through the rocks as it looked like the rain was coming in. In the haste, I forget to turn off my camera. We were supposed to go into the water to take the photo, but the water looked pretty dirty, so we gave it a miss. Plus, we didn't want to walk back to the car soaking wet. So how did we do at being Instagram models?
Just walked 1.3 kilometers to Tully Gorge and climbed some boulders to find this Instagram spot. Which part?
About your feelings.
No more adventures today. I'm a bit tired. But it was very beautiful.
We spent the night back at our favourite petrol station in Townsville. We have a late start as we make our first of many trips to Bunnings. Next up, Airlie Beach and the wet Sundays.
Hamilton Island for the day.
At all.
Well, I'm a bit hot and bothered So that's all today for now.
On our way to the marina, which is over there. Our ferry is in 45 minutes, and then we'll be in Hamilton by mid-morning, sipping pina coladas. Off to Hamilton Island. Here we go. We'll be going on that boat on Tuesday. It's all alcohol inclusive. We've just landed in Hamilton Island, walking around looking for a buggy hire, but unfortunately they're all fully booked out. I guess we'll just have to hang by the beach. Such a travesty. Hamilton Island is very nice. Not for the common man. Say hello.
Hi!
There's heaps of swimming pools here. Look at that. And then there's one just up the stairs, and this giant one here. This one's huge. Never seen it like this big. Giant swimming pool. But we're actually going to swim in this swimming pool because there's sharks and jellyfish out there.
Oh, we just came back from Hamilton Island and we're walking back to the caravan park, and we're going to grab some fish to make fish tacos. We had a great day.
We spent day 9 driving to Airlie Beach. This is the start of our spontaneous planning, which leads us to Hamilton Island the following day.